inayusan ko here sa La Charm because they're having a fashion show. Here's Marga and her husband. Huy, hadlong, look. Hey, what's up, what's up? And there's Aden. Ayan, magugulat ka na lang dyan kay Aden. Bigla na lang siya magtutwerk to sa kama. Para siya, pwede ko na pinakita. Shake that ass from me. Ayan, kakatapos siya lang mag-shake that ass. Here's Mira Monette. Now, we're going to Miss Mabel. Oh, diba yung mga inayusan ko yan eh. Ayan, wala lang. Nangungulit lang ako dito. Sira kasi yung voice nung camera na ginamit ko. And here's my Monette again. Bye!